Hello, in this video let's see how we can use Google Map in a very nice way that normally we use in a e-commerce app, grocery app, and all. We use a Google Map to search, to select the delivery location, right? So let's see how we can make in a very easily and very beautifully. So first we will create a Flutter project. So click new Flutter and okay, next give a name. So what we can give, I will put Google Map. Okay, I will put Google Map project. Okay, just you can give whatever you want. Okay, then finish. So now we created one new Flutter project. As everyone knows, it's just first we will get a demo application from Flutter, that is a counter app. So it will take a little bit time. First time when you create, first time it will take a little time to load and create and install the app in your devices. First I will open my device here. Okay, now we go to our device. I will show the device here. Okay, it's actually my mobile, and I will use this as an what is that? Okay, so here I will show how it will work. So now we got the project, and when you go here in lib main, you can see a lot of codes. So first you need to run this code into your app. So you select the mobile and the device and run. So it will take little time to load here. So meantime, what we can do is you can go to pub.dev and Google Map Flutter 2021. So we need some packages to run our app perfectly. So this is one of the package we need. So before that, what we can do is go to pubsec YAML. Okay, delete all these unnecessary lines from here. So the app is loading. So meantime I am doing all these things just to save the time. Actually I'm making this one because in my series that multi-vendor shop app or grocery app, whatever, so they know how to use a Google Map. That's why I'm making this one as a separate project, and we will use that in my other series. Okay, now here you can copy and you can add this Google Map package. You need to take this official one, flutter.dev Google Maps Flutter 2.11. If you search Google Maps, there are a lot of packages, but take this official one, copy, paste. So this is one for Google Map, and we need to take some more packages. That is one, if you want to open a Google Map, you should get a permission first, right? So for that, and also you need this your latitude, longitude, all those things. So for that we can use geolocator. So you can use this geolocator package also. So this is actually a very popular package. You can see 100% popularity, and this will use to get this location permission, and this we can use also to, for what we can use, we will use in our project this one to get the permission. And another thing is, okay, even you can see the distance of two locations using like this, using this command. You can see the two different locations, how many kilometer distance is there. So this one actually we will use to get the permission, and after the permission Google Map will open. And because anytime when you open Google Map you need to get a permission, that is the best way. If you use in another user's device, so without their permission you should not get the allocation. So after permission it will get the current position. So based on that current position, Google Map will show where's your current position. So that is the plan. You can install this package also. So now we got the permission and we got the current position, and it will show in the map also. Now based on the current location, latitude and longitude, okay, copy that also. Based on the current position, latitude and longitude, we need to find the exact address. So for that, if you go here, you can see geolocator. I think another plan it is mentioned here, see geocoding. So this is a place mark from address. That means if you give the latitude and longitude, you will get the address. For that, we need to use the package geocoding. Before both was in one package, later it was separated. I mean those things separate, geolocator separate. So from here, as you can see if you give the longitude and latitude, you will get the some place mark list. From that you will get the exact your country name, location name, and city name, like all the details you will get. It's not given here the list what we can get, but we need to use this package also in our project. So we can install geocoding from baseflow.com. Okay, so these three packages we need. Now let's go to install the app in my mobile. Okay, so now our app installed. Now what we need to do is we need to add this Google Map, all these packages, and let's see how we can use that in our app. Okay, so first of all, Google Map package we will go. So let's see what are the things we need to take care of when you use Google Map in your app. So I went back and where's the package? This is geolocator. Okay, this is our Google Map. If you go read me what are the things they are saying. Okay, so it says you need to get an API key from this Google Map cloud.google.com and you need to enable Google Map SDK for each platform. That means if it is for Android, you need to enable Android, or for iOS you need to enable iOS. So these are the first thing. Another thing, minimum SDK version should be 20. So first let's do that one. You have to go app build.gradle. So Android app build.gradle. There you can see like this. Yeah, this one, Flutter minimum SDK version. You can just delete that and just add 20. Same like this. And you need to get this API key. So to get API key, you need to go to Google Developer Console. Here we have an issue. It will ask to enable billing, but without that also I think you can enable. If you try, I think you can, because I did without creating any billing, without doing anything about billing. You can enable it freely. What you need to do is you can search. Okay, this is the dashboard screen, and here you can search for map SDK. Okay, just type map SDK. Then here, if you go here, you have already some project is running. So for example, I have one series now going on that is with that is the name. Whatever you added in the Firebase, it will show here all your projects. So I have this shop app project. So I select the shop app, then it will show here. This is one of my project in Firebase, and you can search for map SDK. There you can see maps SDK for Android. You need to enable this SDK. So select that one. And you need to enable. Actually, my maps for SDK for Android is already enabled. So when I disable now, it's asking about this all this or this billing activity. So if it is not enabled, you can just click and enable. Then it will show us APIs enabled. So that part we need to do first. After that, you need to get this Then it's asking go to API. In the API you can see under enable API you enable or under enabled API section. So if you go if you go here if you go API services, enabled API services, then if you have enabled already, it will show that list there. If you come down, there is that map SDK for Android. So it's already in my enabled list. So this is all the enabled list actually. Then if you want to enable, if you're not enabled, you can go here also, enable API and services. There you can see map for SDK and you can select that one. Map SDK, you can select that one and you can enable also. Yeah, you can see here map SDK for Android. Select that one and you can just enable, but actually it's my map for SDK is already enabled, so it will not ask again. And another thing, if you go here, you can go to my APIs and services. There you can see credential. In that credential screen, you can generate an API key. That API key we need as mentioned here to give the key. Okay. So the credential screen open. Now you don't have any API key here. I have some here already. Anyway, I will keep as it is. If you want to create a new API key, click create credentials. Select that API key. Okay, so now you will get the API key. You can just copy the key and it will show here also. Then you can just save somewhere, because then again you don't need to come back to this site. I will open one notepad. Okay, you can just paste. So this is the Google Map API key. Okay, I saved that one. Then what you can do, okay, now you come to our project and go here, copy this two line, only this two line, not all, only this two line you can copy, and you need to go this Android manifest in app src main. So Android app src main, open this Android manifest, and after this, okay, you can put the down inside the application, you can paste, and this key inside this double quote, you can copy the key here. You can copy the key and just paste. So now your key is ready. And another thing here, you need to add the permission also that is needed. So I don't know actually what to type, so I will search that course, yeah, access find location and course location, some two lines is there. Okay, you can get it somewhere here. Okay, you can just copy this two line. Actually, it is there in the official document also. Anyway, I got this one, and you can just paste here this permission to access, because when you ask for the permission, if you're not given this one, mostly you will get an error. So that is another thing. So that all done. This also done. Now let's see here. Okay, this all done, right? So before restart, what we can do is we can completely copy this sample code here up to here. Okay, before that we can remove all this line. No need. If you come here, you can delete all this until, I think you can delete all this, all from bottom until here. Okay, then you can copy all this line and just paste. So now you go to the Google Map project, but you have some error because we need to import all the packages. What are the packages? First of all, our Google Map. So if you this completer, you can import async, so that error will go. Then Google Map controller, actually you need to install Okay, I will run the packages again. Forget. Actually, the package is not showing here, so I will do one thing. I will close the app and I will restart again. Actually, sorry, because of all this error, I cannot restart, so I have to make some arrangements. I will lock all these codes. Okay, actually this floating action button we know it, so I will remove the floating action button. Other all I will lock like this, and will just give only one container. Other all I lock it. Okay, I put as a comment. Then we'll stop and run again. Okay, so I restarted my app. Now I will remove all these comments again, so the error will repeat. Okay, then here also, and I will remove this container. So this is our code, right? So let's see now I can install or not. Yeah, so Google Maps Flutter imported. So all the error is gone now. Everything is gone. Now what is happening here is okay. Now what's happening here is our body is a Google map, right? In that we have given map type. It's mentioned hybrid. You can have a lot of options like normal, satellite, like that. Okay, as hybrid we keep hybrids, and the initial camera position is Google Plus. So that is given here. Okay, this is the latitude and longitude for this Google Plus. So that will be the screen first showing, and there is a button here that I deleted actually. What was that? Floating action button, right? Okay, floating action button dot extend on press label. What is that? Go to lake. Okay. So this button, when we press this button, what should happen is it should go to the lake. So you can just put go to the lake. So this is our code. In that code, if go to the lake means it is a different. The new camera, the camera will move and the position will be K lake, and K lake have another. The same latitude and longitude is given here, but you can see the zoom here is 19, here is 14, and some changes. Anyway, let's run this and see what it is showing in our screen. Okay, our app now restarted, and you can see the map came here, and when you press go to lake, you can see the camera button zoom with a different angle. So this is the current our map screen. Now what we need is actually once map loaded, then it should ask for the permission. After the permission approved, it should go to your current location. So that's what we need actually. Okay, now this instead of hybrid, for temporary I will change to normal, or I will change it to terrain. So the terrain, because just to make it faster. Sometimes if you don't have your internet is not good, it will not load that fastly. So I will use this map for temporarily. Okay. So now what we need to do is This is stateful widget, right? Okay, this title and all no need. Okay, so once screen loaded, go to init state, and init state it should ask for your the user location. So it will ask to get the location. Get how to get user location. First you need to get the permission, right? So this is another function. There it will return the position. Position. This position is coming from geolocator. That is our next package. Okay, so it should return geolocator dot get current position. There you can see, you can give desired accuracy as high. What should be the accuracy? Accuracy should be location accuracy dot high. So first you need to get a current position with permission. So we can mention current position is equal to get location permission. So actually that will return so current location. What is current position? So current position we can give here as position current position, right? Position current position. Okay, so this current position is get location permission. So it's a future, so you need to do await. If you want to use await, you need to put async here. So this current position will be the position. Then current location, now you need to get the current location. So how we can get current location is, so now screen load, then it will ask for the permission. After the permission, it will detect your current location from here. After the permission, get location permission, and it will ask for the current position. Then the screen should go to, instead of go to the lake, let's say go to current position. You can remove this floating action button, that is this button, we don't need that. Then we can say go to let's see what it's saying. Okay, the camera will move to the current position. That's what it says here. Get what it says, go to, okay, go to current position. Then the current position is using position I put. It is using some latitude and longitude. That latitude and longitude should be our current location. So how we can do that is, we can give here lat long is lat long, then here set state lat long is equal to current position dot current position. Okay, it's a lat long, so you can give all current position dot cannot give one time. So what you need to do is, you need to mention like lat long lng bracket, then you need to give current position dot latitude comma current position dot longitude. Then you need to add a null check here and here and here. So we got lat long here, and it will go to the current position. When go to current position, that is current position means camera will move to current position, C position, right? C position. and C position will use the lat long from here, that is lat long dot latitude and lat long dot longitude. Then it's asking some error because of this const, no need this const there, and it's asking for a null check again. Okay, make final. What is that error again? Sorry, actually as an initializer you cannot give all these things, so you can just copy this camera position here and you can just paste it here. Okay, then it will use lat long. Otherwise you can forward that lat long latitude, sorry, lat long. Okay, you can forward that here. How we can forward? We can forward this current position dot okay, we can put all this, you can put that one here and remove this set state and remove all this camera position, and I think this also you need, you can remove. And so what's happening is it will ask, when the app start, it will ask for the user location and it will get the location, then it will go to the current position with the latitude and longitude, that is here, and this we can give here lat lng. Okay, now no need this one and this one. Okay, now one more error, it's also no need. Now let's restart the app and let's see how it works. Okay, now app will restart and camera should move. Nothing is happened, right? Because of some error here. Error says user denied permission to access the device location. Okay, actually now what is the problem is, if you go to app setting and if you come, where's that, okay, app management, and if you go to permission manager, there if you select location and you select our app Google Map, where is our app? Okay, if you come, so if you find your app here, for example, okay, this is our app, you can see the permission is denied, so that is the one reason. So in that case we need to ask the user to allow the permission, then it can continue. So what we can do is, for that we can use another package that is called location. So this is the package we can use for that. Just install. Okay, pubget. Then to get the permission, what we can do here, there is a sample code. Okay, copy all this code from here, then paste inside this and this location data, right? So let me install the package first. Okay, now it is got installed. Then location, we need to install the package location. Okay, package location, and it should return the location data. So this location, that is the location we are getting here. So remove this one and add location data. So this location data type is location data, alright, but we have given here as position. So change this to location data. So that is the one going to return here. So that error gone, and you can see here location.service enabled. And if service enabled, if service is not enabled, then it should return a, if it is not enabled, it will request the service, and still it is not enabled, then it will return an error says service not enabled. Here you can give some something, some screen to other screen, some error screen or something, or some pop-up message. Okay, then another one, checking again the permission, and permission, if it is denied, again request the permission, and if it is not allowed, then they are also return an error. So says permission denied. Then if everything is okay, it will get the location details, the latitude and longitude, and it will return. So when they in our get user location, it will ask for location permission, and location permission type is location data, but current position type is code position. So this we can change to location data. Okay, location data is get location permission. Then here I think need a null check, also a null check. Okay, all fine. I think now it should work. Let's restart the app. Connection loss, so I will again install the app first. Okay, now app is installed. Now it's running again. Let's see this time what's going to happen. Yeah, now it's directly asking for the permission, right? So here it will ask for the user permission, and if user gives the permission, then it should go to the screen should move to the current location. Okay, so I'm going to press OK. Then you can see it's again asking to on the device location because it is denied before I given the permission again, and you can see the screen is moving and move to my location. Actually, this is my location. I will talk about that later again. Okay, restart the app again. Now you can see now you have already the permission, so it is restarted, and now the screen will move to my location. Actually, the device showing here is very slow. In my device, it's showing very faster. So actually, this is my location, and because it's too, the zoom is too big, so I will put the same this 14 zoom here. You can just copy and come here, change to this zoom, and we don't need this tilt here, so you can remove the tilt, and this you can keep as it is. Okay, again run again. Okay, this is the starting screen, and it's screen moved to my location. So this is my location. Actually, this is actually now I will tell you about my location. Okay, this actually I am in Maldives. It's a very small country. That's why it is showing like this. It don't have that much bigger space. Very small. If you see here. Okay, I will change the type to hybrid. Now it is in normal. So okay, if you come to this Google map, this terrain, I will change it to hybrid. Okay, now restart again. Okay, with the hybrid, you can see how this location look like. Okay, this is this open screen. The screen then move to my location. Actually, this is the location right now. Right now am. So it looks totally different. You can see actually it's a very small island, and it's a resort. Actually, I'm working in this resort. Yeah. Okay. So I will put change back to terrain again. Okay, so let's see what are the other options in Google Map. You can see my location enable, you can put 0, and another thing button also you can put true. Now if you restart, put reload, you can see a button here. So when you just move the screen and it's somewhere, so if you press here, the screen will move to your current location again. So this is the location where I am right now. Yeah, this is where right now I am. Another thing, this one is a little bit outside. We can bring it using a safe area. Now if you do hot reload, yeah, it came down, so it's okay. Now this banner, let's remove this banner. So it is in a scaffold. Where is that banner is? So not in scaffold. We have to come on the top here. I think it is. I think it is here. Yeah, make it false. So the banner will go. Okay. Now you restart again. Let's see. Go to my location. Okay. And now we are here. Now what we need to do is we need to show somewhere here in words which location is this one. So for that, what we can do is first we add this in a container, and the container we can give a height of media query dot of context dot size of height into 75% of the screen around here. Yeah, okay, this is fine. And I will give some decoration to this border, bottom, border side, colors dot gray. Yeah, okay, so this is our map and this is the location we are going to, it's going to show. And okay, add this inside a stack widget. So first one is the container and second one, first one is the container, second one we can give an icon. Location on. We can give a size of maybe around 40. It is here right now. Okay, and bring this to center of the container. So it should come here. Okay, then color we can give. Let's give the color of amber. I think the color is not good. Okay, we'll keep black right now. Okay, so it will move like this. And another thing, instead of center, because it is not center, it is the center of whole screen, so we can use position. position. Position, let's use align and alignment dot center. So it should come around here. Still down. So what is solution? Actually, the stack we have given to the container, not to the container. The stack we need to give to the Google Map. So you can cut this one here, and this Google Map you can wrap with stack. Then you give the icon. Should come around here. Yeah. So now it is in the center of the map. This works fine. Now, which latitude and longitude or address here? I need to show it here. So for that, now it's this tag we will add in a column. Okay. So this is the first child, and second child we will have a text with okay, the text we will wrap with column, and column will give a padding of 20. And it's here. Actually, I need to bring this to the starting, so you can say cross axis alignment as start. Okay. Now, if you come to Google Map, inside the Google Map there is one more property called on camera idle. So in that time, what we need to do is, before the camera idle, there is one more on camera move. Here we can use camera position. Okay, it's a camera. So when camera move, you will get position. Then let's see if we print the position, what will happen? Position dot target. So it will print the latitude and longitude should print. Okay, I'm now trying to move. It's not printing, so I will restart that. Okay, then I restart. You can see when I move, here it is printing the latitude and longitude. So that latitude and longitude we can do a set state. Let's say lat long. Okay. Now come here down. The set state lat long is equal to position dot target. Okay. So this is what happened when camera moving time. So here let's try to print that one. Lat dot. Actually, first it will be empty. So we need to check whether it's empty or not. Lat is equal to null or lat long dot output to JSON. So this should print there the string. Now let's see what will happen. Now it is null and moving. So whenever I move, you can see here it is printing the lat long. So using this lat long, we can convert this to address. For that, we will use this geocoding package. So now we have a lat long here, right? So okay, now what we need to do is here add another boolean called locating. So on camera move, okay, this one first value should be false. Okay, false. Then on camera move, we can say locating is equal to true. Then after camera, when the camera idle, let's say locating is equal to false. Then in the text we can say locating, then the text should show locating. If you restart now, if you do hot reload now, okay, when I move you can see locating. When I finish, then locating should change actually. So on camera move, on camera idle, it should be false. Okay, I do a restart again. So it says null operator because what is that null operator is let long. So right now let long is not there, right? So what we can say, okay, moving time it should show locating, and let's say let long is equal to null, then nothing. And okay, we will move change this one. So just testing, we can just put like this. Okay, I run again. Okay, I will restart. So that time it should show locating, and once located, the camera will stop moving and it will show the location. Now when you move it will say locating, and when you stop it will show the stopped location. So it's working fine. Then we need to convert this to address, right? So geocoding, where we can use so we will add a function called get user address, right? So when camera moving time, we will get a lat long, new lat long. Using that we need to get an address. So the user address we can get from this geocoding. We need a minimum sticker version to 30. I think it's already 30, otherwise it will show error, then we can change that. Then you can see here place mark. You can copy this one, copy and paste here. So it will import geocoding and you will get a place mark. Actually it's a list of the location. Okay, to use the await you need to use async, and then let's say so place marks you get, right? So let's give one thing like okay, because here is problem coming with the same package, so you can use that thing. You can use here as location and change here location data, and here also location data, location permission status, sorry. Okay, we can use this one here and correctly use here also, and this geocoding we can use as geocoding. So the arrow will go for the location, and here we can say geocoding.placemark is equal to geocoding.placemark from coordinates. So it's fine. Then this latitude and longitude should be the one where we stop the camera. Sorry, when we move the camera, we have new latitude and longitude. That is this one that we need to give for the address. Like long dot latitude, lat long dot longitude. Okay, now check. Okay, also okay. Then var address is equal to place marks. Okay, now we can do one thing. We can here geocoding dot place mark is equal to place mark is place mark. Okay. Okay, now here set state place marks is equal to this place marks, because it's some place marks actually, because it's a list, and we need the first place marks dot the first one. Okay, now this here, because it still come only one, so that first one we can use, or you can do like this also is okay. Okay, but anyway I will use place marks dot first. Okay, now this is the address you are going to get. Then we can say here now it's locating is equal, then after when it's locating it is true and it is false. So when it is locating it should show locating, then other than we need to show place marks dot you can see all the details are here. Posting code, country, name, street, locality. I just put country now. It's asking, I think, because of a null chart. Okay, now it should work perfectly. Now let's restart the app. Okay, restart the app. Okay, actually place mark is equal to null. Just put a blank, and if it is not null, then we have to show the place mark. Okay, I restart again. Camera moving, so it's locating. So after it's reached there, why it's not showing? Because when camera idle, then we need to call this get user address. Now it will be okay. So now if you move, you can see it's showing the location, right? So locating, so I am in all this. When you move it says locating, when you stop it says the location. Okay, now I will go some other location, maybe. Okay, I'm in India. You can see it's showing India, right? So it's showing India. I move some other location. It shows Afghanistan, Saudi Arabia, and Ethiopia, Algeria. Yeah, it's showing perfectly. Now it's perfectly working. So when you're moving, it says locating. When you stop moving, it says which location is this one. So now this part is perfectly working. So all the work's finished on Google Map. Now let's do here. Okay, so what is next is, first we want to show, okay, if I do hot restart, restart, what it's showing here first. Let's see. Okay, it's locating. After the location it shows the country name. Okay, perfect. Now this is a column, right? So first one we want to show the local name, that is Let's say here, okay, remove this one and add this in column and say here if it is place mark dot is equal to null. Okay, this one not place mark, it should show only is yeah. What is that? Locating, sorry. So locating, then the text should show locating only. Otherwise need to show the below, that is place mark dot, let's say place mark dot locality, I think is the local area will show. Okay, now restart. Locating is equal to, okay, if it is not locating, no, that also wrong. Okay, I will remove all this and let's say place mark dot place mark not equal to null, then we need to show this column, otherwise we can just show container. Yeah, okay, now I will start. Okay, the area I am here, actually there is no locality actually, so the site is showing empty. That actually we can, I don't know what it will show in that area, maybe administrative area, yeah, something like that. So for because of that I will remove from this area, I will go somewhere having more details. Okay, I will go here, I'm showing Karnataka, so instead of that I will add a locality first as a main place, right? So that one you can give a style. Right, so now here it is here is locating. If it is locating, then we need to show as locating. After that it should show the break. So when I move, it's locating. It's good, it's nicely showing. Correct. Okay. And then size and box of height of height of 8. Then let's say text. You can give what details you need here. That is place mark dot sublocality. That is if this is not equal to null only. It should show. We need to show with a comma. If there is no sublocality, anyway, if it is there, it will come. Then again, if sub-administrate area not equal to null, then it should show sub-administrative area. Actually, this one, let's say like this, if it is equal to null, not equal to null, that one, otherwise let's give a container, because I want to remove this gap, it's too much coming. Okay, then next is this one will put in a row. So there in the row, let's say, let's tell like this. Okay, then this column actually need to come with the cross axis alignment as start. What is this comma here? So I'm checking what is that. Okay. So not equal to null only should show this one, right? So how will show? Actually, I want to show as this one with the comma. Actually, I don't know what to give there. That is the problem. Okay. If I put a comma simply coming, right? So locality is not there, it's not there, okay, it's not there, okay. Next below another one. Okay, smart dot administrate area. Administrate area, comma dot country. comma, we can give pin code also. Postal code. Okay. Good. Not bad. Okay, when you move. So what is if locality is equal to null? What we can give? Locality is equal to null. Then we can give this sublocality maybe. Then if it is not null, we can give same locality. I think it's okay, it's work fine. Malakpur Lipi. Okay. It's okay. So first of all this one. After that I will add a sentence height of 8. Same, then we no need. Okay. Then at the bottom of this column I will add an elevator button on this label child of text confirm location. Okay, size of also 10. Then this one we can add with a row and expand it. Good, very good. Now nice. Okay. Now you can save this full address in file store. How we can is you can use this placemark to JSON. If you print this one, you can see what it prints. It's this one directly. You can send it to file store. So when you press here, it will print the full details. Whatever is available, it will show. So this is as it is. You can save in file store. So that is what I'm going to show in, and I will show in Google Map. So thanks for watching. Actually, I will try to add this in GitHub, and I will put the link in the comment. You can take the code from GitHub. So thank you. Bye bye.